I have a Smeg Fridge freezer that constantly fills with water at the bottom of the fridge and freezes on the back wall. I have tried cleaning the fridge with pipe cleaners as I thought maybe the hole at the bottom back of the fridge could be blocked. I did manage to clear out a lot of gunk, but the problem still remains. I have tried temperatures on the fridge. What can I do, and what would be the best temperature for this issue? Please help, I love this fridge. But this is annoying. It is a Fab 32x1. I just want to stop mopping up this water from the bottom and having frozen food that has touched the back of the fridge. Please, can you help?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20+ years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. If you empty the fridge and pour water down the drain hole at the back, will it drain away? If not, then it's blocked somewhere. You need to get something long and thin like a piece of wire or long cable ties if you have any and push them as far down as you can. Don't worry about hitting anything in there, as there is nothing in there to damage, as it's just an empty tube which run down the plastic tray on the back at the bottom on top of the compressor. As if the fridge keeps collecting with water at the bottom, it's always down to the drain hole getting blocked up as the water doesn't drain away, so it overspills and leaks into the bottom of the fridge just like it's doing now. So fully clear the drain tube and pour water into there and make sure it drains away okay. Regards.
I have done this quite recently, giving the plastic tube a good cleaning. So I wondered if it could be something else. Like the temperature I have the fridge on, I mean it shouldn't be all frozen at the back of the fridge, should it?
Hi, this is what they call a wet wall fridge, so the back wall will ice up. Then when it goes into defrost mode, the ice melts and runs down the back and will drain down the hole. As you say, the water is collecting at the bottom of the fridge, then the water isn't draining down the hole, so this will be down to a blockage in there, as that's all it can be. Now if it's all clear up near the top, then the blockage is further down the tube. So it's possible the drain tube has frozen in the liner in the lower freezer section as it runs down the back past the freezer to the bottom. So pour a bit of water down the hole and see if the water is draining away and let me know. Also, as to the ice on the back wall, is it a thick layer of ice? Does the fridge seem to be getting too cold inside it? Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.